Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First of all, power off your device by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time, and then you're gonna have to swipe up to select power off and wait until your device is fully turned off. Then we're gonna have to press and hold both power button and volume down key at the same time until Fastboot icon appears on the smartphone screen. Okay, and right now we just have to connect our smartphone to the PC using the USB Type-C cable and begin our Fastboot operation. Now, when you want to exit this mode, you're just gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down key once again until your screen flashes. After that, your device will restart normally. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.